In this video, I'll show you how you can reinstall your keyboard drivers on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Now, this problem usually occurs if your keyboard has any issues like lagging or stuttering, or your keyboard simply doesn't work. What you can do is you want to go down here and go to Device Manager. And if your keyboard is not working correctly, in here what you want to do is go to Keyboards. You should see your own keyboard in here, as well as some HID keyboard devices. And what you want to do is you want to right click on them, update the driver for all of these, also your own. So update all of the ones you have in here. After that, check if it works. If it still doesn't, what I suggest you do is right click, uninstall device on all of these. And after all of them are uninstalled, head to Action, click Scan for hardware changes, which is basically going to reinstall them. After you've done that, it's going to reinstall your keyboards, and now it should hopefully work. Now there's not really much more to it, guys, so that's about it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.